Half adder is a binary adder. It means it adds binary bits. In half adder, it adds two binary bits. Suppose A and B are the two binary inputs and it produces two outputs known as sum and carry. Let us see the truth table of half adder. To design any circuit, first thing is we supposed to write truth table. We have two inputs A, B. Here A and B are the inputs, sum and carry are the outputs. Sum, carry are outputs. Possible inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When bit 0 is added with 0, it produces sum as 0 and carry as 0. When 0 is added with 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. When bit 1 is added with bit 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. When 1 is added with 1, here binary addition takes place. It produces sum as 0 and carry as 1. So this is the truth table for half adder. Now let us write Boolean expression for sum and carry. Looking at some outputs, here we have output 1 for the corresponding inputs. A is 0 and B is 1. We can write it as A bar B, and here the output is 1 for corresponding inputs A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Therefore, we include that term also, that is A B bar. Sum is equal to A bar B plus A B bar. This Boolean expression is equivalent to XOR operation, that is, it is also equal to A XOR B. Similarly, we'll write carry expression. Here in carry output is 1 for inputs when A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. We can write carry as A dot B. Dot is multiplication operation or ANDing operation. Now let us draw the circuit by seeing the Boolean expressions. Here the expression for sum is A bar B plus AB bar. We can implement the circuit either using the basic gates or directly we can implement using XOR gate, and carry can be implemented using one simple AND gate. That is, take one XOR gate. The input to the XOR gate are A and B. The output of this is sum, which is nothing but A XOR B. Similarly, to implement carry, we need AND gate which has inputs A and B. One input we can derive from here, another input is A. So this is carry output which is equal to AB. We can also implement the same circuit using this equation A bar B plus AB bar. Let us see that. A bar B plus B bar A. So here we need one NOT gate to get the complement of A. Let us use one NOT gate. The input is A, output is A bar, and we need one AND gate where A bar is connected, another input is B. Now to implement this, I need one more NOT gate to get the output B bar. Use one more NOT gate. The input is B, output is B bar. Use one more AND gate. Another input for this AND gate is A. The output of these two is given to OR gate, where it adds these two terms and produces the output sum. And carry can be implemented using one NOT gate. Either you can derive A and B inputs from here, or you can give separately. This is carry.